Don't go up yet. When Henry gets up. Okay, Charlie. No, Charlie. Come on. Okay, Charlie, put it. Okay.
Wait, Charlie, wait.
Stop.
Charlie. Do you want to turn? You're okay.
What's the bag for? Scooping up poop?
Yes.
You could tell.
You want to scoop up poop? I'll give you the bag. Oh, honey, here. There you go. All right, go up the slide. You guys be careful of Henry. Gracie, be careful.
Be careful.
Okay. Let Henry go up. He likes to go up.
Let's play rocket ship. Let's play a rocket ship with a stick. The stick is a rocket ship.
Well, I want a video of him going down the slide because it's kind of hilarious.
Cute.
It is kind of funny.
And it's cute. No, really, it's cute. This is going to be our house. Charlie Bear. Oh! I put that house. Henry, go down the slide. Henry, go down the slide. Go down the slide.
Okay, go down the slide, Henry. Here, Gracie, get out of the way.
No. Mom, this is our house. Mom, this is our kid house.
You did it.
This is our cute. This is our kid house.
It is.
This is the castle. Climb up.
There's swimming pools on top of the playground equipment.
Henry! Come in! Henry, you can climb up the slide. Okay, everyone, go down. Okay, Charlie, Libby, go down that slide and shot some deer for dinner. Everyone, Charlie, go on and shoot some deer for dinner. I'm gonna come along too. That one's clogged. Okay, everyone, go down this slide. I'm gonna handle this one. Okay, Henry, watch out. Can you move, Henry?
Just hop over him.
No. I'm too afraid I'll crash and I want to go fast.
Oh, okay. Let me move Henry.
No.
So what did you tell them to make for dinner?
Deer.
Deer? Is that what you like?
I mean, I'm not like gonna shoot deer. You're gonna shoot. Actually, you're actually gonna shoot. Fried chicken. Then make a pull, and then you can cut the head off like this. Okay. That's a great idea. And then you can pull the feathers out. And then we can eat it and cook it. Okay. Just for 205 minutes. This is our castle. Hey, Lydia, jump. This is our castle. Look at ours. We have a pink slide. You have a red slide and we have a pink slide.